This year's recipients are the members of Shelter Support and Housing's Administration's Workplace Violence Prevention Initiative Committee. Their nomination for this award results from their joint management and labor collaboration in the development of a division-specific workplace violence policy and program, including site-specific staff safety guides, processes, and handbooks. Could I ask Bernadette Hood and Annabella Weinberg of the Shelter Support and Housing Workplace Committee to come forward to accept the award? I'd also like to ask Philip Abrams, Acting General Manager, and Anne Longair, Director of Hostel Services, to join the Deputy Mayor and Councillor Davis to receive this award.
So congratulations. It does look like the Stanley Cup, doesn't it?
It does. Just a quick little summary. Again, congratulations to this year's Health and Safety Award recipients and to all who have contributed to the reduction of workplace injuries and illnesses. I must emphasize that all city divisions, virtually all city divisions, have reduced their lost time injuries in the last 5 years by approximately 30%. In fact, there are some divisions that have exceeded 50% reduction in the last 5 years. And I do also want to emphasize the strong relationship between management, staff, and the unions and the labor group in achieving this success. I'd like to pass it to Councillor Davis for a few comments as the chair of the committee.
Thank you, Mr. Pennachetti. It really is an honor to be the chair of the Joint Occupational Health and Safety Coordinating Committee at the city. Every year, we hear of the tragic injuries and deaths in workplaces, yes, right across this city, and yes, in our workplaces. And I recall some years ago, there was a councillor who said, oh, we don't have injuries like that in our workplaces because it's the city. But we do. We have people working in many occupations in the city, from working in children's services where they're lifting and carrying children, to our transportation and solid waste department who are lifting and hauling other very heavy objects. There are people who put their lives at risk or their health at risk, serving the people of Toronto every single day. And I want to acknowledge the health and safety, our occupational health and safety team, and thank them, Alison Anderson and all of the team that work to ensure that our workplaces are as safe as they can be. I also want to thank every single Joint Health and Safety Committee that we have in our workplaces right across the city, who look out for, and whose job it is to do the best they can to make sure that our workplaces are safe. Your work is very important. We value the work that you do, and you're doing an excellent job, both management and union, in the workplace right across the city. As our city manager said, we have reduced workplace injuries significantly since we set as a goal 0 injuries in our city workplaces. And that's a target we continue to work towards. And congratulations to the award winners this year. I think you can see how many people are here, and I can assure you in every workplace, in every division, we have people committed to workplace health and safety. It is 10 years since SARS, and I think it is an important moment to recognize Dr. Sheila Basrer and the work that she did on health and safety as well while she was our medical officer of health. She was the first chair of the management side chair of the Occupational Health and Safety Coordinating Committee. She established it as a viable, functioning, and excellent committee for this city, And I think we should honor and reflect upon not just Sheila's contribution to our city, but to her commitment to occupational health and safety and safe workplaces in our city. So congratulations to all of the staff of Shelter Support and Housing Administration for the work you've done around developing violence in the workplace policies. It's so important.
Really?
You deal every day with violent situations. And also to facilities and real estate, you have reduced your health and safety incidents by 50%. That's astounding over the last 5 years. So keep up the good work, and on behalf of Toronto City Council, thank you very much and congratulations.